All right, here we go. We have the Fire TV Omni that I just got. I'm gonna be hanging it up above this fireplace. I just got this house, so for right now, it's just gonna be sitting down below. But let's go ahead and let's see what this thing looks like on the inside. I did not expect this thing to be this hard to pop open right here. This is actually insane. I might have to go grab some scissors. Or I could just slide it off. Nah, you know, I'm gonna grab some scissors. Hold on. One sec. Here they are. All right. Let's pop this bad boy open. And boom. Boom. Look how much easier that was. I'm just gonna set this over here. And then I'm so pumped up for this thing. I was watching videos about it and I saw you don't even have to have a remote for it. You can literally just, like, it hooks up to Alexa and stuff. So honestly, I would wonder like how cool it'd be if you put a sound bar on it, because then you could just play music through the house and you could tell Alexa to adjust it and stuff like that. Pretty neat if you ask me. But is there like a side? Does this box come down on the side? Because I feel like I don't want to lift this thing directly out. Honestly, this TV is so big. This is the 65-inch, by the way. Yeah, I think I might just be able to tear it open right here. I was gonna get the 75, but I was afraid it wouldn't fit above my fireplace. So I just went and stuck with this size. Yeah. Dang it. Ugh. Well, I will go and tell you why I'm doing this, that this box, definitely a very good box. Don't have to worry about your TV getting damaged. As you can see just how hard it is for me to even rip it open, and it is covered in foam. Ah, it's like Christmas. Except this box is terrible to open. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Now the whole box comes up and off. All right. Sorry, Simba. Just scared my dog. All right. And so we have our cables back here. We have our remote. We have a bunch of stuff. Oh, I think that's like the mic for Alexa to actually be able to hear you, which is cool. And then we have a stand right here that I'm going to be using for now. That actually is like a very high quality metal stand. And then I think, oh, it actually gives you directions on how to open the box. Whoops. Oh, this thing also has Dolby Vision on it too, which is pretty neat. So, pop that open. Get that one open. And then, there we go. And actually, open it up. Ah. All right. And now, for the big reveal. Let's see how thin it is. Okay. Pretty good sized TV right here. It's actually pretty thin on the top. It definitely pokes out a little bit on the back. I'll show you here in a second. But overall, pretty thin. Dang. All right. All right, let me see if I can just lay it down. Is that a 2-pack actually? No, think about it. I'm gonna have to find the other one. All right, let me lay it down. I'll show you how thin it is. Boom. All right, there you go. You can kind of see right there on the side just how thin it actually is. Pretty thin TV, honestly, and I mean, I'm just super pumped up to use it. So, yeah, this is the 65-inch Fire TV right here, and that's what it looks like coming out of the box.